If you think that you are alone in this whole world of one type, then you are very, very wrong, because there are 2700 as same as you in this whole world. Hello everyone, this is Nisha Singh, and today we are going to talk on how can you stop being average or refuse to be average and become a better personality in this world. So, first is, every day do a self-reflection of whatever you are doing in the whole day. Like, you can list out the things you are doing in the whole day and analyze, is this good for me or I need to change somewhere. And if you need to change somewhere, then do it for your betterment. Second is, read a minimum of one chapter from a book in a day. You can read of your syllabus, of your course, so in the end you don't have a burden to learn everything in the end. It is not a big thing learning 2 to 3 pages or reading 2 to 3 pages in a day. You can do it. It is very easy. So, third is, reserve at least half an hour for yourself. Give alone time to you and make your mind clear, and you can move on quickly. Do whatever you want in this 30 minutes. You can listen to music or dance as nobody is seeing. It is my favorite. I give alone time to me every day for 30 minutes. So you can do it. It is my favorite. Fourth is, have a digital decluttering after 10 p.m. Decluttering is very big word. It means just remove all the technological equipments you have, like mobile phone, television or your laptop. Just put it away after 10 p.m. and go for a sleep. If you will hang up with your phone whole night, you will have a dark circles, you will not able to sleep. So it is not good for you. I know we all love ourselves very much. So please give time to yourself and go for sleep after 10 p.m. Nothing is more important than you in this whole world. Just remember this. Fifth is, challenge yourself every day to learn something new. Personally, I will share you about my experience. I am a management student, but nowadays I am learning maths. I know most of you don't like maths, but believe me, if you will read or learn this book, a magical book for fast-track mental maths written by Manav Gaurav, it is in very easy and understandable language. It is having very good and illustrative examples in it, so you will find it very easy to solve all the questions. You will find fun having it. So please go and purchase it. I will mention all the information and the link of buying in the description. If you are preparing for any competitive exam, go and buy it. It is very good book for maths. Sixth is, set a little goal for yourself every day, and to really achieve it, set a very little goal. Like, you can set going for a walk for 20 minutes, or you can set just to sleep before 10 p.m. Anything you can set to achieve it. Set very little goal and please go for achieving it. Seventh is, learn new thing every day, not related to work. You can learn anything like cooking. Yes, cooking is also beneficial for your tummy, and also your mummy will cook. Eighth is, be with the people who share similar goal just like you, or who are more knowledgeable than you, so that you will have a good impact of their presence in your life and you will have a good goal in your life. And the ninth most important is, every day if you have achieved something, please reward yourself with a small tiny gift. Like, you can give chocolate to yourself, you can give ice cream to yourself. For example, if you did 5 push-ups earlier and now if you are doing 6 or 7 push-ups, then yes, please reward yourself. Self will promote self-confidence in yourself and make you happy. Why you are settling as an average person when amazing is attainable? So get up and work for your achievement, work for your dreams. So be ambitious, be driven, be action oriented and make it happen. I know you can do it because you are here for your worth. Thank you.